Learn, Speak, English, the podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn, Speak English. I'm your English coach, Ryan, and today we're going to learn 150 essential English phrases for traveling. Traveling can be fun, but sometimes it's a bit stressful. Don't worry. Today we'll go step by step with simple examples and tips to remember everything. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with the airport. Here are some useful sentences. Listen and repeat as many times as you need. And if you need to, pause the video and take your time to repeat. Where's the check-in counter? Can I see your passport, please? What time is my flight? Where's the gate? Excuse me, where's the baggage claim? I need a boarding pass. Where can I find a taxi? My flight is delayed. Is this the line for security? Where's the restroom? Can I have a window seat? Can I have an aisle seat? Is my flight on time? I have a connecting flight. How long is the flight? Where can I change money? I need help with my luggage. Where's the lost and found? Can I bring this bag on the plane? Is there Wi-Fi on the plane? Do I need to show my boarding pass? Where's the departure board? Where's the arrivals area? I would like to check in online. Can I get an upgrade? Is there a lounge for passengers? Where's the customs area? Where do I pick up my rental car? How do I get a taxi here? I need assistance for my flight. Where's the airline office? How much is the baggage fee? Is my seat near the emergency exit? I need a wheelchair. Thank you for your help. If you can, say them out loud in front of a mirror or record yourself to see your progress. Next, let's go to the hotel. Listen and repeat as many times as you need. Listen and repeat as many times as you need. And if you need to, pause the video and take your time to repeat. I have a reservation under the name. Can I have a room with a view? Is breakfast included? What time is checkout? Could you call me a taxi, please? I would like a single room. I would like a double room. Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Can I get an extra pillow? Can I get an extra blanket? Is the room clean today? I need fresh towels. The air conditioner is not working. Can I have a non-smoking room? Can I see the room first? How much is the room per night? Do you have a safe in the room? Can I pay by card? Can I pay in cash? I need a wake-up call. Is there a restaurant in the hotel? Can I leave my luggage here after checkout? Can I get a map of the city? Can you recommend a good place to eat? Is there a swimming pool? Do you have a gym? Can I book a tour here? I need a taxi to the airport. How far is the city center? Can I get room service? What time does breakfast start? Do you offer a late checkout? I lost my room key. Can I change my room? Thank you. Everything is perfect. Imagine you are at the front desk and repeat all these phrases. If you need to, pause the video, and take your... Even though today we can easily find our way with a mobile phone, I think asking for help when we travel is very important. That's why this section will be very useful when you are in the middle of a city and you are not sure where to go. Here are the phrases that can help you the most when you are lost in a new city. Excuse me, can you help me? Where's the nearest subway station? How do I get to the museum? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? I am looking for this address. Is this the right street? Can I walk there? Is it safe to walk at night? How long does it take to get there? Can I take a taxi? How much is a taxi ride? Can I get there by bus? Which bus should I take? Where's the bus stop? Does this bus go to the airport? Can you write it down, please? Is it near or far? Turn left or turn right? Go straight ahead. The hotel is on your left. The restaurant is on your right. Can I take a shortcut? Where's the train station? Is there a taxi stand nearby? I need directions to the pharmacy. How do I get to the park? Is there a pedestrian crossing? Can I walk or take a bike? Thank you very much. How did it go? There are many phrases, but they will help you a lot. You can make the practice more real by taking a map and imagining the situation while you repeat them. When we are traveling, we eat out all the time. Eating out is fun. Try these sentences. Can I see the menu, please? I would like a coffee and a sandwich. Do you have vegetarian food? Could I have the bill, please? Thank you, it was delicious. I am allergic to nuts. I need water, please. Can I have a table for two? Can I sit outside? Can I sit inside? Do you have a children's menu? What do you recommend? I would like soup, please. I would like salad, please. I want pizza, please. I want pasta, please. I would like a dessert. Can I have ice cream? I need a fork and knife. Can I have a napkin? Can I get a menu in English? Do you have coffee with milk? Do you have tea? Can I have juice? I need a refill. Can I have a glass of water? Can I pay now? Can I split the bill? Do you accept credit cards? Is service included? I would like takeaway, please. I need a high chair for a child. Can you make it less spicy? Do you have sugar-free options? Thank you. Everything is perfect. Imagine ordering your favorite food in English. Leave us in the comments. What phrases would you use for ordering your favorite food? Shopping abroad is easier with these phrases. How much is this? Can I pay by card? Do you have this in another color? Can I try it on? I'm just looking. Thank you. Can I return it if it does not fit? Can I get a receipt? Do you have discounts? Is there a sale today? Can I get it gift wrapped? I want to buy a souvenir. Can you show me that item? I need a bigger size. I need a smaller size. Do you have shoes? Do you have shirts? Do you have hats? I like this bag. Can I pay in cash? Can I try this jacket on? Where's the fitting room? Can you help me find something? I like this color. I don't like this color. Can you recommend a gift? Do you have postcards? Can I buy stamps here? I want to buy chocolates. I want to buy local crafts. Thank you for your help. Pretend you are buying a souvenir for a friend and repeat the sentences as many as you need. If we are traveling, we need to be prepared for any situation that may happen, even an emergency. That's why we have prepared a special section, so you can be ready if something happens. Sometimes things happen. Use these phrases. I need help. Call the police, please. I lost my passport. I need a doctor. Where's the nearest pharmacy? I need a hospital. My wallet is stolen. I am sick. I have an accident. I need an ambulance. I lost my bag. I lost my phone. Can you help me? I am lost. Where's the embassy? I need emergency services. I feel unsafe. I need directions to the police station. Can you call someone for me? I need a translator. Is there a clinic nearby? Can you call a taxi for me? I need help with my hotel booking. Where can I find a doctor? I need medicine. I am hurt. Can you help me contact my family? I need assistance at the airport. Please help me, it's urgent. Thank you, you are very kind. Speak slowly. These phrases are important for safety. We learn more than 100 practical phrases for travel, including airports, hotels, restaurants, asking for directions, shopping, emergencies. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these phrases in your next trip or practice at home with a friend. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments. A short dialogue using 3 phrases you learned today. Remember to do shadowing to improve your English faster. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Where's the bus stop? I would like a single ticket, please. Could you take a photo of us? What time does the museum open? I need directions to the airport. Practice shadowing to improve your English quickly and easily. Listen and repeat all phrases out loud, in front of a mirror or using a recorder, so you can listen to yourself afterwards. Do it as many times as you need, and you will see how you gain confidence and fluency naturally. Remember, if you don't have time to repeat, you can pause the recording and go back as many times as you need. You can do it. And that's the end of today's episode of Learn Speak English. If you like this episode, please subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell us. My favorite travel phrase is, share this episode with a friend who wants to travel and speak English confidently. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep exploring the world with English